First, state your name, age, and where you're from.
My name is Jesen Preche, and I'm here at Delaware. I live in Middletown, Delaware.
How long have you been trading?
So personally, I've been trading for about a month now. I got Austin's course, and I just really started digesting all the information and trying to just be a sponge and absorb everything that I can.
What do you think of the all-day seminar?
So honestly, I love the all-day seminar. I love that it was an all-day thing, that we were all able to meet here at this really, really nice place. And all the information that Austin was saying, it's really straight to the point, number one. And number two, it's really easy to understand. It may take some work at the beginning to really understand all the terminology and all the different concepts, but once you get that down, it's like cake.
Would you recommend this seminar to new or struggling traders?
So yeah, I would definitely recommend this to new and struggling traders, even some professional traders who are just looking to really refine their trading plans, because it really goes into depth about all those things. And definitely, like me, a newbie, it's really not that hard to understand once you really try and digest the actual content he's spitting out.
Think back to the first time you heard of Forex. If you could give yourself any advice, what would it be?
My number one advice is to not listen to the things people say who are not educated on the topic, because that will either one, bring you down and try and discourage you, or number two, you will lose money, definitely.
How has Austin impacted your trading journey?
Austin, it's like I've been going around, buying all these courses, trying to look for help and all this mentorship and stuff. But I just ran across Austin's course one day on Instagram, and once I was able to see what he was doing, I liked how he wasn't being shady like some of these other people are, and he's really genuine and straight to the point.
So for the last couple questions, you're just going to finish the sentence. Everyone should consider trading Forex because...
Freedom. Literally freedom. I think that was probably the number one thing why we're all here. It's because of course, money is always going to be there, but the freedom that this allows us to have to be with our family and spend time with the things we really want to do in life.
Trading Forex with the ASFX system is...
Honestly, it's easy once you really understand. And going through the courses, you can get it all knocked out in one day. And if you just continually repeat the same content and the courses and just keep studying, you'll be able to understand it.
Every new Forex trader should...
Definitely, every new Forex trader should just look for that right mentor, because that mentor will cut down all those hours that you're going to be probably spending on babypips.com trying to look for information. So find someone, if you guys don't want to go to Austin, find someone just like him, because he's a great mentor.